So this
55 by 30.
this is Tujereng, yeah.
55 by 30 lah.
This is Tujereng, is a seaside, just 5 minutes walk to the beach. Yeah, you can see this is 30. Yeah, this is 30 by 55. Wow, 55 by 30. Empty plot. Yeah, only a small structure inside, a very solid one. Yeah, you can see. I will take inside of this house. Yeah, this is Tujereng. Yeah, you can see it's in the within the settlement area. You see, yes, you see. In front is all houses. Yeah, as you can see. You see the other house also there. Yeah, you see. So, okay. So now let me take the inside of the house. There's a borehole. This whole part of the land, yeah, you can see a small kitchen, yeah. It's a bedroom, bathroom, one bedroom with bathroom, another bedroom, another guest toilet. Yes, guest toilet. Yeah, yeah. So
That's the kitchen over there.
yes, that's the kitchen.
Kitchen lah, with kitchen.
Then you come here, you have a borehole with a tank, a solar panel, that's a tap, and here is the borehole house. Yeah, it's the borehole, where the borehole is, you can see. Yeah, it's in Tujereng, just 5 minute walk to the ocean. Yeah, yeah, you can see. So all settlement areas in front, you see. There is a way here where the fence can be. Behind the fence is a way. Yeah. It's like a corner block here.